traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar account, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now last week the dollar CAD had a very strong advance and tested the 135.53 daily resistance level. Got trend line support down here. High time frame trend is up on the weekly chart, so can we further advance this week? We may need a short-term pullback from 135.53, but I'm expecting that we may move above this level, so watch 135.53 to become support after a break for a move higher. So can the advance continue this week above the 135.53 daily resistance level? Okay, moving on to dollar franc. Now we managed to close below 89.26 monthly support last week. So can the trend continue to decline and move below 88.59 this week, day support? With conviction. If it can't, I expect that we will move back up to retest 89.26, and we could false break that level to move back above. Of course, a retest of that level could be resistance, but we're at very low levels on the dollar franc. If we can't clearly break below 88.59, I have the expectation that we may well move back up and move back above 89.26 this week. So can the downtrend hold and clearly move below 88.59 this week? Alright traders, moving on to the dollar yen. Now last week we got 4 pips short of 135.16, which is monthly resistance. There's some daily resistance over here too. And then we pull back to weekly support at 133.62. So a little bit in a range here, but still in an uptrend. Can the uptrend hold? So we may come down once more to test 133.62. Can that level hold for a move back up to retest 135.16? Can that trend hold to move above this week? At the end of the week we have the BOJ monetary policy statement coming out, so things can get volatile. Can the advance continue? Can we see a further retest of 135.16 this week? Alright traders, moving on to euro pound. Rather range bound still. I mean, we do have a higher bottom here, but then we've got 3 tops up here. So are we going to be holding at resistance to move back down the range? I will be watching once more 88.65 up to 88.97 if we want to continue this advance for a reversal back down. So do we come up to this area, hold at the highs for a move down this week? As I said, we could move above 88.65, but your next major level of resistance is at 88.97. So I would be watching the area 88.65 to 88.97. Does that area get tested? Does it hold for a move back down the range this week? Alright traders, moving on to the New Zealand crosses. So the New Zealand yen, it did fail at 83.53 last week. I said watch that level. Now we do have a series of tops up here. We've moved below 1, 2 bottoms. It is still rather range bound. I would be watching for a corrective rally, 79% retracement area, which would be around about there, for then a further lower top to form to see whether this can then move down through support. Can we move down and close clearly below this week 82.31, which is a weekly support, and continue the decline? We have formed a further lower top on the weekly chart here, so it's rather consolidatory, but it is starting to make lower tops and bottoms there. Can we see a further lower top come in for a move down below 82.31 this week? Alright traders, on to the New Zealand dollar, last pair to review for today. We did close below weekly support last week, 61.91. Can the decline continue? At the moment, day support 61.39, to 31 here is holding as support. We reversed there yesterday, so we're going to come up to retest 61.91, maybe up to the 6200 level. Can that area now hold as resistance for a move down, and can we move below this day support area this week? Can that downtrend continue after closing below weekly support last week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.